In my opinion, one of the easiest ways to modernize a classic vehicle is by upgrading it with LED lighting. That's why in today's video, we're checking out the Oracle LED white halo projector headlight. Now, if you guys ever drove a classic vehicle with factory halogen headlights, then you would know how terrible it is trying to see at night. The halogen headlights aren't very bright, and at this point, they are very outdated compared to an LED headlight. That's why our LED headlights have two benefits to them. Not only are we going to be able to modernize our classic vehicle and make it look better, but we're also going to be able to make it safer by having a brighter headlight for driving at night. Now, these Oracle headlights are cool for multiple reasons, and one of the main reasons that I like them for is the fact that they are plug and play. So you can simply take these out of the box and install them onto your vehicle with no modifications needed. Another thing I do want to mention is the fact that these are 7 inches, so these are going to work for your classic Mustangs, your classic trucks, and even classic Broncos. Today we are going to be installing these into our 65 Mustang, so let's go ahead and jump into it. First thing we need to do is take off our headlight cover, and then we'll be able to get the screws that actually hold in the headlight. With the cover out of the way, we can now access the screws that hold in the headlight. Before putting our Oracle headlight into our Mustang, we need to wire up our halo feature. Now to do that, we're gonna grab our power and our ground, and we're gonna tap into the parking light harness. Now on our Mustang, the wiring is not complete, so we're gonna do this a little bit differently, but after you do that, you can bolt up the headlight, and then soon after that, we can see how it looks lit up on the car. Connect your factory wiring harness to your Oracle lighting harness. Like I said, this is plug and play, so there is no modifications needed. And just kind of fish your wiring back in there and get your headlight in the bucket. Once you have your headlight in the bucket, grab your ring and hardware that you originally took off. Once you have your headlight mounted, you can grab your cover and reinstall that. Once you're done with the current side that you're working on, you can repeat the exact same process on the opposite side. With everything installed, we can finally see how these look lit up on the car. Here's our low beam first. That was our low beam headlight. Here is our high beam headlight. And of course, here is the halos on with no low beam or high beam on. Well, we're all wrapped up on the install for the Oracle LED projector headlights on our 65 Mustang, and I gotta say, they fit perfect in here. I realistically had no issues with these headlights. Like I said in the beginning, they are plug and play, so this is as easy as you can get when it comes to upgrading lighting. Now, as far as this light goes, this is definitely going to be a lot brighter than the factory headlights, so we should have no trouble seeing at night. Now, if you wanna pick up these headlights for your classic Mustang, classic truck, or even classic Bronco, I will leave a link down below in our description. But it is time to drop a gear and disappear, and we'll catch you on the next one.